Dear Atmas, I am Atmeshwaran from Atmeshwara Temple, Tiruvattriyur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. This video is all about how to get the moksha, and this is the depth of Hinduism, video number 15. So, depth of Hinduism. The Hinduism main target is to reach the Almighty, that is moksha. So this video is all about how you can reach there. What is the way? So there are some persons or some team, some group, they are telling like you have to live like this, like that. You have to pray this card, you have to come to this religion and all. If you think like it, if you ask me like is it true and all, my answer is it's purely no only. According to me, there is nothing like that. The way we live and the problem we face, the decision we took is the main thing for reaching the moksha. So let me come to the point. Like first thing, for reaching moksha you have to avoid non-veg. The reason behind is if you kill an animal, there will be atma which will be against you. So which will be searching for you, all which will be taking revenge on you. It will be against you. If atma is against you, then it is not possible to get a moksha. One thing. Second thing is you should not have any desire or any goal or any wish, something like that. Because consider if you want to build a house. So before starting constructing, if you died means your atma will carry your wish, constructing a home. That wish will be in your atma. So it is not allowed to reach the moksha until that desire get fulfilled. So you have to do a rebirth, and at that time again you have to construct the home. After that only it is possible. So but you can construct. I am not telling you should not construct. You can construct, but that should not be your ultimate goal or your wish. It is something like I am constructing. If it not construct also, no problem. That is different. So you can be in that way. That is one thing. So, and the third thing is in Hindu religion there will be a saying like you should not the wish should not be on girls or jewels or land, because all three will end up in sin. So you should not have crush or craze on these three, girl or land or else jewel or gold or something like that. So let me conclude this point. So I don't want to put a very big video. So my previous videos will be 10 minutes. I want to close it before. So the conclusion is like, don't have any desire. Live on that day. Okay. The previous saints also lived in that way only. Like in Hinduism there will be a saying like you should not love even Lord Shiva also. It's a Sivanidam Patrar. There will be a saying like you should not have wish with Sivan also. There will be a saying, because that also will make you a rebirth. So it is something like you have to live for the day. You are satisfied. Whatever happens, let it happen. Let it come to me. I will decide. That's all. If you live in this way, then you will reach a moksha surely. If you have any doubts about this video, just put the comment. Or else if you want to take us any other topics which you want, which you got confused or something like that, you can comment us. We will surely put a video on the same. Thanks. Cheers. Bye. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Atmeshwaraya Namaha.